If humanity disappeared tomorrow, the world would not end. It would begin to heal. Without us, nature reclaims what we borrowed. Grass breaks concrete. Life moves in, one seed, one paw print at a time. The oceans, once choked by oil and waste, begin to breathe again. Coral grows where cables once ran. Steel yields to roots. Time erases our signatures, but not our story. The memory of us will linger in ruins, in whispers, in the soil, and Earth will keep turning, as she always has. In the end, it wasn't the Earth that needed saving. It was us. Nature doesn't end when we do. Join the journey only on Vibe Sparks.